Hi guys, Omarr here with the S4. This is just a tip. When you buy the S4 straight out the box, it comes with a annoying tut sound like that. Now, depending on how much you use the phone, it will decrease your battery. So the way you turn it off is you go into your settings, you go into my device and then sound, you go into the touch sounds and you make sure that this checkbox is unchecked, and that gets rid of that sound. So that was just a tip really of how to increase your battery with the S4 and get rid of your touch sounds. Thanks for watching guys.